Today we are going to be showing you how to sublimate a mug on the Epson F570 Shore Color Wide Die Sublimation Printer. It prints 24 inches wide, and this is one of the orders that I got for a mug. So let's get into it. I already flipped. Oh, wow. As a matter of fact, I already flipped the design. Good thing I thought about it. I'm going to flip it back. And when you're using the Epson F570, you do not need to mirror your designs. So you need to flip this back horizontally, the whole thing. Now, I have yet to make a mug template, but I have measured the mug. I'm using an 11-ounce mug today. So I measured this, and there's two ways you could go about doing this. Like right now, you can print this out like this separate, right? And then when it comes to the mug, you can just cut it out and tape it to the mug where you want it to be, and it'll come out fine, right? Or you can do this whole thing, the whole area that I have, and this is the exact size of the mug printing area. So if you wanted to fill this whole white space up that's on the screen, then you could, and that would completely fill in the mug all the way around from handle to handle. Okay, now that that's said and done, let's look into the print settings. So we're going to go right here into the printer settings, and it's going to pull up all your printers, and I want to click on the Epson F500 series, but it's really the F570. I'm using a letter format. We got our A-sub paper, Yep. We got it from Amazon. I'm gonna leave a link in the description. It's an affiliate link that helps out the channel if you guys get it from there. It doesn't cost any extra, so I'll leave it down in the description. Now, if we use this right here, as y'all can see, it's going to take up a ton of space and basically destroy the whole paper, right? So I'm going to redesign this design off camera before I print it, just so I don't waste the paper. There's tons of other stuff that I could use on this paper than to waste it. So that's it. Now, for the video's sake, I'm going to just go ahead and print this. Hit and print. Just a piece of paper. But just remember, to save on costs, what I was going to do was I was going to put them next to each other and then just cut it out and tape them where I wanted them on the mug, because you could save on cost. I could have probably, out of this paper, made about 6 of these same mugs, but for the video purpose, I don't want to waste it. I mean, I don't mind wasting it. It's just a piece of paper. It's no big deal. But I'm letting you guys know that when you follow my channel, and if you haven't, this is the perfect time to like and subscribe. I'm going to show you the best cost-effective way to run a printing business. That's what we're all here for, a community. I'm trying to build up for PrintZebra. So you guys can get on here. We comment. We look in the comments. We help each other out. And together we grow. Now, here it goes right here. The print that I did. Right, this is an order for a customer. Now it looks pretty dark on paper. If you look right here, you can see this is how the design looks on camera. So on paper, it looks dark. I just wanted to show you guys that if you see, I put a paper in here. I meant to print from there, but I actually printed from there. So what it did was it cut the paper right there. So I basically wasted a lot of paper, but you don't really waste it, guys, because you could just go and put this back right in here. Cut that off and put that back in there. We're gonna save money together. I'm gonna show y'all how to do it. Like, you just resize the paper and inside the printer to the size that you cut it to, and you can use excess paper when you sublimate it. Now, let me get this mug ready so we can press it. Okay guys, so now I got my heat transfer tape, and I basically just heat transfer tape the design. I cut it in pieces. I heat transfer tape the design on both sides. So now I got it where I need it, and we come over here to our trusty, dusty mug press. We cut it on. I already got it set. Now, if you guys want to know the temperature and the duration of time that you're supposed to press the mug, then I'm going to let you guys know that right now. You need to heat the mug press up to 400 degrees, right? Anywhere between 390 to 400 degrees. And you need to press it for 300 seconds. That is 5 minutes, 300 seconds. So as you can see, the mug press is heating up. And we're going to let that go ahead and heat up. And then we're going to press the mug. Okay guys, so my mug press is almost up to 10. Alright, you hear it beeping? So it's going to keep on doing that and let me know that it's ready. Alright, so anyway, I always put it a couple of degrees above. I'd rather be a little bit above than under. Here's how one of them come out. Alright, let's see. Let's get this pressed. Like I said, I got mine set for 300 seconds. You put it in here like this. You close it. And you hit enter. And the timer begins to tick down. I'm not going to sit there and talk to y'all for 5 minutes. We'll be back when it's done. Okay, so we got about 84 seconds before we take the mug out. So I wanted to let you guys know, when you do take it out, gloves is not a bad idea. I mean, you could burn yourself on these mugs, and they're really hot. They stay hot for a very long time. Just so happens I have another method. And the method is, be careful. Nah, I got a secret trick with it. Right? What I do is, I tape it, knowing that it's going to be hot. Right? Then I want to get it off while it's hot. So it only took me 1 or 2 times to think ahead of time about how I'm going to tape it, right? Then once you tape it right, the way you want it, you could use one of these weeding tools. If you have one, you should have one if you're doing stuff like this. Use this to lift the tape up, and then once you get a little bit of tape folded or the paper folded a little bit, you can just pull it from there. But you gotta tape it so it'll come up with one piece. The mug holds everything in place, so you don't gotta go tape crazy. Alright, just wanted to let y'all know that. Now we got a countdown for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay. Wrap it up. See it smoking. As you can see, the cup is smoking. First thing I'm gonna do is relieve everybody of this loud ass sound. Now, remember what I said about the taping. So, what you do is come over here, right, and you lift the tape up like that. You start getting your tape up. See? Right there, I got the tape ready, prepared to be lifted off of the mug without burning myself. If you do it right,